your father built you a treehouse that seemed 7 stories high. It came complete with a mailbox where I would drop letters as I was passing by. Then after midnight I would sneak out quietly to meet you there, where we would stay up for the rest of the night, pretending I was Fred Astaire. I've never had a friend who treated me better than you.
When we were young, your parents took us to Rio for our summer break, where we got lost in the mountains and followed a river till they found us by a lake. Though I was scared and we were hungry, you never seemed to falter. So I trusted your lead and let you make the decisions with both our lives at stake. I never had a friend who treated me better than you.
Never better than you. 'Cause you were my best friend. You were the only one I could depend on. You were my best friend. You were always the one I could trust by my side.
Remember the girl that you were dating in college? I think her name was Jan.
She started screwing my cousin, then moved to the south 'cause he was more of a family man.
I always wondered why it never seemed to make you angry. 'Cause if you wanted me to, I'd take a trip to the sticks and tie her up in the back of her van.
I've never had a friend who treated me better than you.
Never better than you.
'Cause you were my best friend. You were the only one I could depend on. You were my best friend. You were always the one I could trust
by my side.
It's been years since I talked to you. You don't seem any different, but still I can't find the words to tell you how much I changed. The reason why I didn't care that she ran away. You are my best friend. You are the only one I can depend on. You are my best friend. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. You don't care. I don't care, I don't care. You're still the same. You're still the same.